Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Supreme Chrome logo skateboard deck. The color is purple color, 8.125 by 32 inch. And then the size is 8 and then 1/8. The price on this is $50. Shipping fee is $10. And then the tax on this is $4 and then 38 cents. So the total damage is $64 and 38 cents. So I will try to cup the Chrome logo T. So I guess my son cupped it, but unfortunately he didn't get the shipping confirmation yet. So I'm not sure what's going on with that piece. So let's go and then open this up and then show you guys. So as you see, it is factory seal with this tamper evident tape. I'm not sure why they tape it twice. Hopefully this is not an open item or anything like that. So let's go and then cut this open. You can see the box is kind of dirty. There's like an oil stain right there. But anyway, I'm not gonna wear my glove because I'm gonna go ahead and then wash my hand afterward. And as you can see, the box is kind of damaged because of this wrinkle. Wow, look at that. So you got this big Supreme Chrome logo letter, and then there's a registered trademark right here. And this nice curvature right here for the wheels. And then right here as well. Let's go and then check out the other side. So this is a 6-ply veneer wood. You got the world famous right there with the mini red box logo. And then there's your box logo sticker right here. Unfortunately, there's only one sticker or decal. And then here is your product description, the season that was dropped, the barcode, purple color, and then 8.125. Let's go and then zoom this in. And then this deck is made in Mexico. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.